Partnering with Rolec was a natural choice for EVbee. Their strong presence in the UK market and trusted reputation in the industry align perfectly with our ambitions to push innovations to the next level. We share a common drive for quality, adaptability and intelligent design, which makes this collaboration both exciting and impactful. We're confident this partnership will not only accelerate the adoption of DC charging, but it will also lead to more pioneering projects in the UK.
Partnering with EVbee was a fantastic decision for Rolec because of the well-rounded product range alongside 40 kilowatt up to 1.6 megawatt DC charging offering. On top of that, a more premium package including advanced cable management system, a better supported and more future-proof products. Rolec's offering is now even more compelling with an improved specification DC charger over the rest today, and we're delivering greater value without increasing our cost.